Similarly, operational amplifier can be used as a subtractor. So again, the aim of the experiment to study subtractor using op-amp 741. Apparatus required are same. If we need signals, we need signal generator, function generator, CRO for seeing output on the oscilloscope. Dual power supply, operational amplifier 741, experimental board, resistors as required, and connecting wire and probes as required. So in this particular, what we can say, subtractor circuit, the output voltage V0 is equal to ACL into bracket V1 minus V2. So the V1 should be connected to the non-inverting terminal and V2 should be connected to the inverting terminal. So this is the way the subtraction comes. This particular derivation is already proof in the theory lecture. So here the output voltage is always in phase with the input signal. The precaution should be taken as output voltage will be saturated if it exceeds plus minus 15 volt. Procedure is again same. Connections are given as per the circuit diagram. Plus VCC and minus VCC supply is given to the power supply terminal of the op-amp. V1 and V2, these are the input DC voltages and the output is measured across the output terminal. Pin diagram is again same. 1 and 5 terminal is are the offset terminal, input inverting input terminal 2, non-inverting input terminal 3. Minus VCC is a 4, plus VCC is 7, and 8 number is no connection. Here the subtractor circuit is here. You can say here V2 and V1. These are the two inputs where we are going to take the subtraction of it. So here the output voltage V0 is equal to ACL V1 minus V2. So if we need a gain of 1, so RF and R1 should be all 10 kilo ohm. If we take the gain is equal to 1, what will happen? 0.1 into 0.1. If we take the subtraction of it, becomes 0. So theoretically, what we'll have, though the gain is 1, the output is 0. 1, 1.8. So here the V2 is greater than the V1. So 1.8 is in the negative direction minus. So what we'll have? 1 minus 1.8 becomes minus 0.8. Gain is 1. So it becomes minus 1.8. Here 2 and 1. Input voltage V2 is greater, so minus 1 volt is there. V1 is greater, so plus 0.3 is there. V1 is greater, so 1.0 is there. So this is the way to design and test the non-inverting amplifier circuit. So we can go in a virtual experiment again. So I will stop my. So we'll see the circuit. This is the circuit of subtractor. You can see it. The resistors are all equal. So what will happen? We have resistors are all equal. So the gain finally will be 1 plus RF upon R1. So gain of the circuit will be 2. Right. So 2 and 1, these are the input, V1 and V2, type 1 source 1, type 1 source 2. So here the type 1 source 1 is above, so it is in the negative direction. So for first time we'll take 1 over here and 2 over here. So this is the way the V1 and V2s are now. So if we plot the output, what will happen? We'll get the reading. So this is the way 2, 1. So what will happen? 2 minus 1 becomes a 1, multiply by 2, it becomes 2 volt. So why it is going in a positive and negative direction? Because we have provided the source as a sine. So sine signal will always move from 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0 to 1, 0 to minus 1, and in this case 0 to minus 1 and 0 to 2 and 0 to minus 2. So that's why we are getting the signals or the output as it is going from 0 to minus 2 and again 0 to again plus 2. So in this way the sine waves inputs are, we are getting the output as it is. So if we suppose to increase the gain of the circuit, if we have 2 over here, what will happen? 1 plus RF upon R1, 1 plus 2 upon 1, it becomes 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So gain of the circuit is 3. So what will happen now? So gain is, the subtractor is 1, multiply by 3, output voltage should swing between minus 3 to plus 3. So suppose if we take, look at here, it is going into the negative direction first. So if we take 2 over here and 1 over here, what will happen now? It is going in a positive direction first. So this is the magic, the V1 and V2, whatsoever the value of V1 and V2s are, the output will be act accordingly. So this is the way the op amp as a subtractor can be worked with the gain of 1 plus Rf upon R1.